Hi, welcome to Virtual Construction Assistance. Weekly tips and tricks. Our tip for this week is about grouping tabs in Chrome browser. When working on projects or tasks, there is always a need to open numerous tabs at once. Doing so can sometimes become overwhelming and confusing. Worry no more, you now have a solution: grouping tabs. Here's how. Open Chrome and then go to your favorite site. Let's create a new tab group by right-clicking the tab and then choosing Add Tab to New Group. In this example, I'll name this tab group as Work and set it to blue. Let's add another tab to the group by opening another tab with another site, and then select Add Tab to Group, and then select the newly created tab group, Work. Now we have two tabs in a tab group and we can add more. By clicking the Work tab, you can minimize or maximize the tab group. You can add more tab groups. There you have it. This will surely help you manage your browser better and avoid getting overwhelmed. Also, you'll be able to access the sites you need when you need them. That's all for this week. See you again on the next episode of VCA Tips and Tricks.